Hi there! Recently our kids printed their own t-shirts, and in this video I would like to show you how. I taped the design to a board and then taped a transparent envelope just on top of it. I then used a scalpel to cut out the stencil. This takes a while. It pays to pick a simple design that doesn't have too many details. Here I fixed a cut that went a little too far with a bit of transparent tape. That's pretty easy to do. Next, I separated the two sheets of the envelope, giving me actually two stencils. Hooray! So here comes the t-shirt that we wanted to print on. I ironed it a bit, but that is optional. I slipped a cardboard inside and folded and taped the shirt on the back so we had an even surface to print on. Next, I put some spray glue on the stencil and stuck it to the shirt. The spray glue is really awesome, I love it. Now this next step is optional. I cut a window into a larger transparent envelope and that would cover the rest of the shirt. So in case the kids would splash around with the paints, I was sure not to get any paint on the back side of the shirt. If you're not getting any really small kids involved, you can just skip this step. We're now ready to paint. The kids use little pieces of dishwashing sponsors to apply the colors, and I asked them not to rub so the stencil wouldn't move. We then let the paint dry overnight and peel the stencils off. This can also be done by the kids, and the stencils can definitely be used again. In case something rips, you can just fix it with some tape. And here are the results. Thanks a lot for watching.